Guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 per day or possibly even more doing article submission on sites that are looking for fresh and the latest, newest articles that you can submit to them and be able to make some pretty good money, $1,000 and possibly even more, showing you even 2 sites that you can do this on. All right. Well, guys, if this sounds good to you, sit back and relax. We're going to get started on here right away. First of all, I want to get the normal stuff out of the way here. For those of you that are new to my channel and haven't been here before or to my videos, what you want to do right now is reach down there below your video right now and click that subscribe button and click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this site. Alright, so let's go ahead now and get started on this. Anxious to show this to you. It's a very easy method that you can do this with. The first site that you want to come over here to is called EatingWell. You see it right up here in the address bar right there. It's EatingWell.com. You see that? And you can see that this site is a sort of like a blog. It's a blog style site. They have articles on healthy recipes, special diets, diabetes, healthy meal plans, healthy eating, healthy lifestyle, and so on and so forth. And you can actually even sign up on this site with an account, and they even have sweepstakes and that kind of thing too that you see right here as well. And you can see that they like different news articles, fresh news. They like the latest posts that you can post on this site and get paid pretty good money for, and even also healthy recipes and so on and so forth down through here. All kinds of things to do with health and nutrition. So it's the health and wellness niche, which everybody knows that is one of the 3 major niches, the most prominent and the most competitive, because, well, everybody wants to be healthy, right? Everybody wants to be able to eat right and be healthy. So it makes sense that this site would take articles about health and wellness and nutrition, right? So what you're going to do, write an article to upload and to submit to this site right here. Now, wait a minute. I can hear some of you right now, you're saying, oh my God, Kevin wants me to write an article about, nutrition and so on and so forth, and I'm not a very good writer and all that. Well, don't worry about it, guys. I got you back on this one. So just hang in there with me. All right, so what you want to do, though, when you get to this site, you want to find out about their writer's guidelines, okay? So if you click on their search engine right here, and what we want to do is we want to click on writer's guidelines. You want to type into the search engine. I've already done it. Writer's guidelines, you see right here. Once you type that in, just do a search, and it'll bring you over, and it'll show you all kinds of different things right here. But what we want to do is we want to click right here where it says Writer's Guidelines on EatingWell.com right here. And you can see it talks about here a little about who they are, and it says they'd love to hear from you. It says we welcome ideas from new writers. If you haven't worked with us before, it's best to start off pitching front of book ideas, and even if you're an established writer. If we scroll down here, you can see right here, Eating Well prefers pitches. They call article submissions pitches on this site. In other words, you're going to submit a pitch, which is just an article, is what that means. And it says right here, submit your pitches to pitches@eatingwell.com. You can see that that's a link. It says, please include Eating Well magazine pitch and then appropriate department in the subject line. So if we, for example, click on this right here, and it loads this up I'm using a mail program called Thunderbird, as you see right here. And if you're using a mail program, when you click on that, it will open it up. If not, you just want to highlight it and copy it, and then go to google.com or mail.google.com or whatever mail that you use, whether it's Yahoo or Bing or whatever. It doesn't make any difference. Just put this in a mail program, and it'll bring this up, and then it says that to type in Eating Well magazine pitch, right, in the subject line here, and then we'll put a dash, and we're going to put pitch submission, just like that, pitch submission. And then you're going to write a little bit in here about this is a submission for an article for consideration, and then you'll just make an attachment, as you can see right, where's that, right here on mine, and then you just attach the article that you wrote. Send that to them. How do you do that? What you do is come over here. Now see, so you don't have to write the articles. I'm going to show you how you can get fresh, up-to-date, daily articles that you can use from Google to submit to this site, just exactly what they're looking for. So if we come over here to news.google.com, you see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's news.google.com, right? And you can see that when you load this site up, when you first load it up, it'll come to headlines. And you can see right here that these articles are fresh. Look, this one was submitted 28 minutes ago, 9 hours ago, 2 hours ago, 6 hours ago, 12 hours ago. And if you scroll down, 4 hours. These are very fresh, up-to-date articles. And then over here in the column on the left right here, you see where my mouse is, you got all kinds of different categories here that you can do this with. And look, right down here at the bottom, you see right here where my mouse is, it says health. So if you click on health, that'll load up all the latest health articles that you see right here, right? What you want to do is come over here and click on where it says right here, where it says nutrition. Actually, any of these categories probably would work. But since Eating Well is about nutrition, you want to click on nutrition there. Look, 7 hours ago, this article. Yesterday, 12 hours ago, yesterday. These are very fresh articles, guys, and you can use every single one of these. So what you want to do, for example, this says ways eating eggs can help you lose weight, say dietitians. Eat this and not that. So if we click on the article, and you can see the article right here, and it's a fairly long article. Now, what I wanted to show you, though, coming back here to Eating Well, let's come back over here. What I wanted to show you is after how to submit, like I showed you, how to submit your article, right, or your pitch. If you look right down here, they'll pay you up to $1 per word. You see that? So it doesn't take or too much of an education to realize that if you have a 1,000 word article that you submit to Eating Well, that equals out to $1,000, right? As you can see here, this particular article, it looks like it has well over 1,000 words in this article. So what you want to do is, though, but you don't want to copy this article exactly as you see it. You want to copy it. For example, I'm going to show you. You just want to take here and just copy. And let's make sure we don't get everything here. We just want to, I'm going to show you as an example. You want to copy all of the words of the article. So we're just going to take these two paragraphs right here first. And then what you want to do is come back down and get the rest of the paragraphs in the articles. But to show you how to do this, highlight these, right click and copy. And then you want to come over here to this site because you want to make the article more to yours, so it's your article. So you want to change up some of the wording. You want to come here to spinbot.com. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. What this will do, it will spin the article and put it into different words, thereby making it your article. Still will be along the same line of what the article is about, but it'll change up a lot of the words and make it more personalized to you. So we paste in our article or our paragraphs. Then what you want to do is you want to come down here and check the little garbage box right here. I hate these things, guys. I'm not a robot. You got to do it. And then click on Go right here. And you can see what it has done is it's rewritten this text right here. So what you want to do is you want to save this text into a notepad until you have the whole article, and then come back and copy the next few paragraphs right here, right? And do the exact same thing. Take it back over to SpinBot and spin it and put it into your words. Copy it and save it into a notepad, all right, until you've got the whole article. And then what you want to do is you're going to come back and you're going to take and you're going to submit that article, pitches at Eating Well. You want to save that into a file. Save it into, you can save it into a document file or a PDF file or whatever you want to save it into, what you've spent here on SpinBot. Just make sure you have the whole article in a file, like a document file or a rich text file, something like that. And then you're going to submit it right over here to this. When you click on this right here, it'll open it up in your mail program. And like I said, you're going to put this right here into, like it says, put that into the subject line, and then you'll just want to attach that file that you saved from into your computer with that article in it that you spun on SpunBot, and then you just send that article to them, and then once they check it out and it's approved, they'll pay you up to $1 per word, and they may want you to put pictures or something like that with it, but that's okay. You can come back and get all these pictures right here and copy these pictures as well and use them right there. Just right click, save the image as to your computer, and send them those pictures if they require the pictures, guys. That's one site you can do that on and make up to $1,000 with a 1,000 word article, or if it's a 350 word article, a smaller article, you'll make $350, right? Now, here's site number 2, guys. Come over here to this site right here. It's Sierra Club. You see it right here, sierraclub.com. Right up here. I'm sorry, not .com, but sierraclub.org. You see it right up here in my address bar. And then what you want to do at this site also will take articles. And what you want to do is you want to come all the way to the bottom of this site, and you'll see their search engine right here. And you want to type in here submission guidelines, like you see right there. See that? Click search. That will bring up this page right here. Editorial guidelines, guys. And then what you want to do is scroll down here and you see where it says how to submit. And it tells you here how to submit. Only they don't put the email address in here. They spell it out. You see that? submissions.sierra@sierraclub.org. So you're going to remove the word dot and put a dot in there. Remove the word at and put the at symbol in there. Down here, remove the word dot and put dot. So it says submissions.sierra@sierraclub.org in your email, and you're going to submit your article to them. And if you look down here, you see that their standard right here, it says our standard fee for online stories is $350. It says here that the fee can increase if you become a regular contributor to this site, guys. So the more articles you submit, you'll make even more money. That's what I'm seeing right here, guys. And it says here we pay a flat rate of $250 for reviews and opinion pieces. All right. So what you want to do then is submit in your article here. Now on this site, they want here, it says we're looking for reported stories on a wide range of environmental and social justice issues from writers. So where are you going to get those types of articles? Well, the same thing. You're going to come back to Google, news.google.com. You see right there, right? And this time in the column on the left, if you click over here, you see where my mouse is, and click on science right here, guys. And that brings up the science latest articles, guys, you see? And look right here, environment. Even wildlife would work in this. But if you click on environment right here, guys, you see, look here, all kinds of articles, fresh articles that have to do with the environment, and they are the latest news articles that have to do with environment. So for example, if we click on this one right here, yeah, this is from the Wall Street Journal, guys. You do the same thing here. You can scroll down and you can copy the article. Do it on any of these other ones too, and copy the article, bring it over here to SpinBot, paste it in there, and spin it, and save it in a text file, and then come back to Sierra Club. And then what you want to do is, it says here is how to submit, like I showed you. Submit it to them, and then you have an opportunity to make $350 just for that one story, guys. And you can do this over and over and over again on both EatingWell and Sierra, guys. Sierra Club. Do this over and over and over, and keep submitting your articles, and making money over and over and over. Guys, you can make this a full-time income, I would imagine, by doing this particular method. Guys, that's the method I had for you today. That's a good method. If you like it, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell. And also leave any comments or questions that you have down there below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my #1 way that I make money with affiliate marketing, click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and see how you can do the same thing in affiliate marketing today. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.